Couches.
Hi, good morning. I was calling for Kim, please.
This is Kim.
Hey, Kim. Hugo Morales with American Heritage Insurance. How you doing?
Just fine.
Good, good. I was just following up today. You were going to let us quote the business insurance. I was supposed to call you today to put something on the calendar for something towards the end of the month to drop by and gather the info.
Yep.
I was looking at maybe the 25th, if that's all right.
Yeah, that's fine. The
10
last
a.m.?
Tuesday of the month.
Yeah. 10 a.m. good for you?
Uh-huh.
Okay. And I see you're with Ohio Casualty. Who's your big Google? Find out. And the only reason we ask is that way we could stay away from the carriers that they represent so that we don't cross-quote, you know?
Okay.
And are you still at the...
Actually, it's not. It's called Liberty Mutual now. They changed names again.
Is that the carrier or the agency?
That's what my policy, that's where I mail the check to, Liberty Mutual Insurance.
Okay,
It's in New Hampshire, and the agent's name is Jim Miller. Looks like 2009.
Insurance agency, 5 years.
So there's been like 3 or 4 names on there, but when I change my computer name, it changes all the old ones, so I can't go back and find what all they are.
Yeah, I hear you. And you're still at the same place on 2115?
Yep.
Still about 10 employees, 2 vehicles?
The vehicles are not on our insurance. They actually are insured separately at State Farm right now. There are 17 employees.
Okay. Is it 2 vehicles?
There would be 2 vehicles, regular, 1 car and 1 truck, and then there's one Isuzu truck we use to pick up produce and stuff.
Okay, gotcha. And let me see, you're the office manager?
Yes.
And the
owner's name's Gary.
What's your email address, and we'll shoot you out a confirmation prior to coming out.
Okay. It's...
Do you know what your sales volume there is approximately?
About $2.5 million.
2.5 mil. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
2.5 mil. All right. And anything that we can improve upon? Are you having any kind of pains with Andrew's Insurance there?
Actually, we just had a claim for some food spoilage, and the people that they had trying to do the food spoilage had no idea how meat departments work. It was a nightmare. And the claim ended up, we got $700 out of it, and it was absolutely a nightmare.
But it's all settled?
It is settled, yes.
When did that happen?
It happened in November, and it was just settled last week because, like I said, the agents, there was no one that had any idea about food spoilage. So they sent me paperwork for, like, equipment or things that you could go out and replace, and that's not exactly how food spoilage worked.
Yeah, gotcha. So they weren't really familiar with the process?
No, it sucked.
Yeah, okay. All right. Yeah, I think we'll be able to help you out with that. I mean, the agents I'm calling on behalf of, they know what kind of industry you are, and they have programs for the specific type of business that you manage there. And so hopefully we can...
And that was that's the only claim we've had, and, I mean, food spoilage, I could not tell you how long, but I was trying to explain to them, they wanted to know how much it cost to replace the meat, and that's all good, except that they didn't know what a quad was, and they didn't know what kind of meat you got out of it. So, guys, I don't think I can help you. You need someone in your business, that works there with you that explains these things to you.
Yeah.
So it was quite a process, and I know Gary's very unhappy with it.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, well, that's good to know. All right, Kim, well, I appreciate the opportunity. We're all set up for the 25th at 10, and we'll be out there sharp.
All right, thank you.
Thanks, bye.